YoloVanCoin, live on the screen, as that futures every day. You know what I mean? Daily point of interest, I wait that zone. Patience in my chest, I let the chart talk slow. TT rage, fractal model, lines in the plan. I do not chase candles, I let them come to hand. Need that 1 hour shift, state change on cue. Delivery flips clean, then I know what to do. No panic in the room, no ego at the wheel. I keep my pulse steady, I respect the feel. When price tells the truth, I don't force a play. I can sit on my hands and still win the day. See the sea too close up, then I'm ready to load up. 1 hour candle, one breath, M5 entry with no stress. YoloVanCoin, we trade with the plan. YoloVanCoin, chrome hands, cold scan. Wait for the change, then I press it right. Build up the craft, get the whole crew right. YoloVanCoin, we trade with the plan. YoloVanCoin, strong mind, sharp eyes. No fear moves here, we don't bend it for pain. Better trader every day, we rise again. I stream the session, let the people see how a clean decision can set you free. Teach the young ones how to hold that line. Not every move is yours, not every chart is mine. If the point ain't hit, I stay patient, the state don't shift. I keep it vacant. C2 closure, then I watch that seed. C3 on the hour, that's the entry I need. I talk risk first, then reward can breathe. The pro don't need noise, just a tested read. Community growing from the steps I showed. From I need a win to now I know. See the sea too close up, then I'm ready to load up. 1 hour candle, one breath, M5 entry with no stress. YoloVanCoin, we trade with the plan. YoloVanCoin, throw hands, cold scan. Wait for the change, then I press it right. Build up the craft, get the whole crew right. YoloVanCoin, we trade with the plan. YoloVanCoin, strong mind, sharp eye. No fear moves here, we don't bend for pain. Better trader every day, we rise again. I used to want it fast, now I want it right. Let the market breathe, then I step in light. No emotional trade, that's a heavy chain. I cut that loose and I teach the game. YoloVanCoin, we trade with the plan. YoloVanCoin, cold hands, cold scan. Wait for the change, then I press it right. Build up the craft, get the whole crew right. YoloVanCoin, we trade with the plan. YoloVanCoin, strong mind, sharp eye. No fear moves here, we don't bend for pain. Better trader every day, we rise again.
All right. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Just a quick quality check and visual test. Can you see me? Can you hear me properly, guys? All right, that's awesome. Wow, look at this. Nasdaq is dying. I would just short the shit out of it. Let me see the chat. Good morning, Alan. Good morning, Nicole. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. The only problem is that we have no actually 1 hour changing state of delivery, so no high of the day set, so it's B setup, and probably we have SMT between these two highs here, with that high and that high, and we have a 1 hour fair value gap as well tagged in, so this one is ideal to short. I'm gonna wait for 10 o'clock. I'm not jumping in. Let me open. I wanna have another window open on the right side where I see three assets like Nasdaq, SP 500 and YM. Just give me a second. Yeah. So I'm gonna have another window open, and there's gonna be SP 500 it here. Probably I'm gonna just have it on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, and I don't need anything else. I'm gonna duplicate this window here. Okay, and I'm just gonna have YM. Perfect. Alright, so I have YM, Nasdaq. Here we go, open. 1 hour time frame, all. That's beautiful reaction. I want to short, but I'm gonna wait, or maybe I'm gonna wait for the M15 C2. Let me see if we have M15. We have. Perfect. I missed that one, so I can have a C2 here. Let me see the 1 minute time frame. Yes, let me go on the 15 minutes first, and this one I want to see only on the 1 minute time frame. And now I go on the 1 minute time frame with a manipulation into the expanding, so probably this fair value gap another 1 minute, and I can target this 361 low here. This is my ideal TP. YM and Nasdaq took out the 1 hour fair value gap, and SP 500 didn't. That's nice. That means now YM is actually getting lower too. So I would like to see a closure below this and short Nasdaq. Let me have my info on. Perfect. We had a C2. This is a C3. I missed this entry here, so I'm gonna play the continuation targeting this low here. Let me see the chat. Would be great to NQ reject pretty hard, and also yeah, gold. Oh yeah, no, it's bearish. It's bearish, guys. Well, I really don't like the idea that actually SP 500 already made a changing state of delivery, but Nasdaq didn't. So Nasdaq is a stronger asset, and if I try to target this low that happened 8 o'clock AO1, we already below that one, so it can be SMT as well and the lows. So I'm waiting for the price to, you know, tell where it wants to go, but right now I'm bearish. It would be nice to have a short inside the C2 M15, but right now if I have a short from here 40 point, that would be only just a 1-to-1 1.3. Yeah, not the best. V shape. What you mean V shape? I mean, like, we already have a V shape on indices, but the question is that we will have or not continuation lower, because this is a huge week, almost like 100 points, so I don't like that right now. And what I think is happening is that SP 500 retraced back to the 1 hour fair value gap, Nasdaq didn't, and YM actually retraced back already the 1 hour fair value gap, so we can have a SMT at the lows. And as you can see, I think you can see Nasdaq is a stronger asset now. I don't really like this reaction. Okay. like this SMT here. Okay, so this should be a protected high, and I would target this low here, 362. I don't really want to see higher than the 50% of this range. Yeah, 73 should be more than enough high. It seems like the price is gonna reverse on me. YM is going lower as well. So I want to see the price tanking now. Now it's gonna take me out. Actually, maybe I put on the wrong spot. This should be the protected high, and I should target these two R, so 25 to 99, because that's the high, and I should have 2R here. Yeah, that should be the real one. So 331 is the TP, and my stop loss is 499, because that's a protected high. That's where we have SMT. That's a M15 continuation. We have this SMT at the highs with YM, with mass and Nasdaq as well. What I really did, I think wrongly, is that I entered maybe a bit early, so my entry at 25. So yeah, now I'm out. It take me out, guys. Yeah, I think I'm gonna put myself on TL. I wanted to see continuation lower, but it didn't happen. So yeah, at least for now I won't trade. I got a loss too quickly, and yeah, we had a bearish SMT, both of the indices. I'm not sure why disrespected this 15-minute continuation model, but that's okay. We had SMT as well, and on the 50 minute we have actually a continuation higher on Nasdaq. So probably I choose the wrong asset. If I choose actually SP 500, that would be better. So on the 1 hour time frame right now, it looks still bullish continuation on Nasdaq and bearish on SP 500, but one of the assets is lying, and I think Nasdaq is the liar, because YM is going lower, ES is going lower. So I think the manipulation is happening on Nasdaq right now. So yeah, no entry yet, guys. That was my entry, but I'm gonna make a PDF of it. Yeah, nah, this is crazy. Nasdaq is bullish, really bullish on the 1 minute time frame as well. Like, dude, did you see this 1 minute wick? Wow. Just only the wick is 40 points. Yeah, nah, that Nico, that was a valid loss on M15. I have no, negative, bad feelings or anything. I just feel like today is not the greatest day to trade because the price doesn't make any sense how it moves now. I'm not sure if I would play. Now we had a one. I hope we're gonna have a 1 hour changing state of delivery. On a 1 minute time frame as well, you can see actually. It's still bearish. I think it's still like the move to downside. Just this candle doesn't make any sense. Related, yeah. This is like, I think it's a second. Dude, look at this SP 500 candle. That's crazy. That's crazy. I think I'm gonna wait for 10 o'clock, even if you just annotating the chart, because this one doesn't make any sense. What's happening in the 30 minutes and 15 minutes? The 4 hour time frame is bullish. I mean the session candles, 6 o'clock bullish, 7 bullish. Yeah, same here. The 1 minute candle has no wick, the 542, so it's gonna go and take the 556, I guess. Yeah, I think Nasdaq is gonna go higher now. Good morning, exactly. Good morning. That's crazy. Price is gonna just reverse now. Wow. Left equal highs. I think Nasdaq is gonna go back to 585. Dude, these 1 minute candles are so big. I think I won't trade today, because like with proper risk management it's impossible to actually trade. Yeah, like each candle like 40 points, dude, that's crazy. Yeah, I want to see Nasdaq going higher. I want to see this low resistance liquidity to be taken before it goes lower, like until this 600ish. Now Nasdaq gonna go take out the 396. This price action, guys, is crazy. I think the price is gonna tank now like crazy. So I think this is coming. This 360, 362 level. My bad. Yeah, like this. Yeah, I think I won't trade Nicole. I don't like these candles, like these are huge candles. Yeah, but I want to see lower price now. I want to see price going to take out this low. I mean, honestly, I cannot really frame any trade, guys. Like, fuck, this is crazy. Like, this fucker move like, dude. What is this V-shaped reaction? Like almost a, like 60 point, dude. Like, dude, impossible. I think I won't touch this shit. Look at this reaction, bro. Look at this fucker. It's crazy. I mean, like, dude, like, what the fuck is wrong? Like, so go higher then. Just try to figure out what the fuck you want. This is crazy, guys. Yeah, I don't really like this price action, guys. No. Nasdaq just went like a 60 point. I mean, I don't know. If I have to choose, I would just blindly long, because this is really bullish. I think we're gonna go at least like 620, 640 easy, like crazy. This candle is crazy, guys. This 3-minute candle. Look at this V-shaped reaction. We got a lot of rejection from here. I think the price is gonna explode higher. Let me see the 1 hour time frame, TP. Yeah, probably the price is going to this 1 hour fair value gap here. Like a 560. 560 is, I think, the next stage. Nasdaq is leading the price right now. The 10 o'clock candle as well, like which C2 you're gonna use, Nicole, on SP500? You're gonna use a bullish or bearish, right? So that's crazy. I recommend you guys not touching this price action right now. I'm telling you, don't touch these guys, okay? Otherwise you're gonna burn your account, you burn yourself. This price action is crazy. Even if you open one micro, that's like a fucking 80 point in 1 minute. So, price is like, I don't know. I would like to see like going crazy low right now, but I don't think so it's gonna happen. Probably it's gonna take out the 395 level because a lot of low resistance liquidity, and we make this SMT. Here, so probably it's gonna take out this level, so this level is coming, and we had SMT here. So I wanna see now strong price action going lower from here. But probably this one as well. So I think that will be a big dumb move now. Like a quick, what is that, like 80 points? Yeah, like this, but a bit stronger. I think this level is coming, guys. But that's crazy. Now I wanna see the price coming here as well. I don't wanna see retrace or just a sweep. Nasdaq was a weaker, so I wanna see the next one. This level, I wanna see the price to take out this level before 10 o'clock. And then I have this level, but I think this is too far. But I wanna see this level to be taken out, guys. Like, what is the level of this? This 360, 362. I wanna see that to taken out. Here we go. Do you see, guys? Took me out and I'm going to my target. Now this one is coming. Here we go. And that's it. I wanna see how the price is reacting this level. But this price action, guys, is crazy. Fucking difficult to read. But I can imagine we're gonna just tank. But you see, this was the last imbalance before the fair value gap, so I wanna see lower prices. Why do I have this? What is this? Whew. I already getting sweat to just read this price action, guys. Like, really, like, stupid crazy. I don't think so. It's smart to looking for longs. We had a C2 on both indices. We had the SMT into this fair value gap, so I'm looking for shorts, but I'm not touching the market. I'm gonna tape read, but I'm not entering any trade, guys. I got one loss like in a 1 minute time frame. I was correct with the direction, but early. So now we're retracing back this fair value gap. We still bearish, so I don't think this bullish fair value gap should push us, you know, higher. So I want to see this open high, low, close candle on the 1 hour time frame, and this is the range. I want to see a new 5-minute changing state of delivery. This is the H1 point of interest. It's another H1 point of interest as well. H1 point of interest, because that's an internal liquidity. This is the first liquidity when I would change my bias, because we took out the internal liquidity, which is a fair value gap here. So I want to see these lows to be taken. I go on the 5 minutes time frame. Bro, this is crazy. Okay, that was a changing state of delivery here. So we have a valid changing state of delivery, and I have another valid changing state of delivery here. I want to see a new one forming, and let me put here the 1 hour time frame. Exactly the same. I want to see a new changing state of delivery. Yeah, I want to use this one here so you can see how the Nasdaq was stronger. Yeah, I want to see a new changing state of delivery and target these low resistance liquidities. So this is my target, and I'm gonna look for shorts just on the tape reading, standard deviation from that low to that high. Beautiful. From this one 300 and yeah, almost 200 points, guys. Yeah, nah, exactly. No touchy. No thank you. There is no proper risk management you can apply on this. We got this, and then I think on SP 500 we have this level here as a TP. But look at this reaction on SP 500, guys. Look at this. It's garbage. I mean, I want to see shorts. Let me see other streamers. Oh, someone was shorting but put already in break even. Like for why and what? Yeah. He has already reached the OT. Yeah. Yeah. I only enter tape reading if I see a new continuation lower. Yeah, I see most of the influencers is targeting 959, 959. Yeah, this area here. Yeah, that's the pre-market low. Sorry, no, London. That's a London low here. Not London low, but pre-London. Someone is shorting like with 3 minis, bro. Or the 3 micros? Yeah, no, no, that's 3 minis. That's good. No, my bad. 5? I can't see, it's so bad, the quality of the screen. No, it's 3, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, we have a 30-minute changing state of delivery. We have a 1 hour C2, and we have a confirmed C3. 30 minutes changing state of delivery. The 15 minute as well changed. 7 minute as well changed. 5 minute as well changed. 3 minutes as well changed. It's not bad. Yeah, I think the short is valid from here at least until this 215. But again, be careful guys if you open any position. Right now it's like, dude, just this 1 minute candle was 93, 40, almost 40 points. And we have a lot of VWAPs are here. Like so we can reverse from here easily. We need to see a break below this level, right? The 1 hour should have a protected high soon, hopefully. Yeah, we close below the fair value gap, so I would looking for shorts, definitely. But yeah, be careful guys. Yeah, who wants to long or short today? Who wants to engage with on this market? Yeah, I mean the M5 is the best you can have now, but this low resistance liquidity. But it's nice because we have SMT here, so this should be not touched. You see, yeah. So that's okay. That was an up move, so I wanna see the 50% of this range to hold. And we have one fair value gap as well there, but that's really tiny, so I wouldn't count. There is no fair value gap here, so I don't care about this fair value gap here. Only care about this range. Let me just put this on black, so no color mismatch. Okay, okay. We have a 2.5, so it can be consolidating here. We had a -1, so at least I think the price is coming this level as a first TP if you short. Yeah. Yeah, I would like to short. Yeah, I want to sell, but cautious. Yeah, be careful guys. With gold we had a C2 in, so rejection from this 1 hour fair value gap, but we have a bullish up move and we took out the pre-daily low, so I don't really want to short against the medium time frame right now, so not really interested to actually trade. Dude, that's a huge sweep on YM on the 30 minute. I think that it wants to go lower, like nice retracing back to the 30 minutes. OB, the 1 hour is bearish. Okay, we reached, but we closed below the fair value gap, so like on the 1 hour time frame here, and I see this here, we close below this, so this should act as an inverse fair value gap now. But yeah, you see here, I think the problem is that Nasdaq wants to go higher. Maybe because of some AI shit. Oh dude, the guy who was shorting with 3 minis, now he's shorting 7 minis. What the fuck? No, that should be micros, bro. Yeah, that should be micros. Yeah, that's micros, my bad. 7 micros. He's shorting 7 micros right now, and he was shorting into this bullish, big bullish candle. I'm not sure about the time frame. Yeah, he was shorting into this big bullish candle. And we literally rejected the EMA here and other things. So that's gonna be almost 100 point, Nicole. If you short, be ready, yeah. So at least it has to come here to be able to, you know, to have a proper, yeah, 106 point. We need 2R. Dude, it's literally almost 2R. Yeah, but the problem with ES is that we have this low here, and I think that's the target. And it looks like a market maker SAR model, I'm not gonna lie. But fuck, I don't know. I don't know, guys, it's difficult. I mean, these influencers are shorting with 15 micros and shit like that, making $1 million. Did you see the guy who made $2.5 million in one day? Yeah, nah, I'm not gonna touch this shit. Yeah, everybody wants to short because we have a model ready, but not on every time frame. In 3 minutes, the price just retraced back to this OB. But again, why the price should come higher to tag in if, you know, was retesting this imbalance? So I don't think so this is gonna be stay. I think we're gonna go higher. I want to see lower prices, but maybe it's better to short YM. I'm not sure because YM is weaker. Let me show you on the 5 minute. You see, guys? So what I want to see this, like, you know, let me mark. I want to see something like this on YM. On NQ, I want to just see a straight down move, and here on ES as well, just a straight down move. This is what I think should happen. We will see what the market is gonna give us. Yeah, I have a bit too many of these. 10:30, perfect, 11. But right now it's like let me just delete my things here. Let me see the Discord, guys. Discussion room. Dude, can just a price die? I wanna see really like lower prices. Just feel like I'm fine today. Let me see that guy. How many micros he has? He has still 7 micros. Let me see YM. Yeah, YM is still consolidating. By the way, can you hear me right, guys? Properly. That's a 50-point move almost. Bam, 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 bam. We have this 30-minute. So after this, we should have a 30-minute changing state of delivery from here. Blue. We want a 3 minutes time frame. There was a manipulation. Yeah, YM made already, almost made already the thing. So I think Nasdaq is a weaker asset. In the 3 minutes, that would be the short. If it's gonna make that point of interest here, and 30 POI. But I'm a bit worried about it. There is like a yeah, I think there should be a closure on the at least the 3 minutes. So patience, guys. Patience is key, guys. Patience. Be patient. Enough. Definitely this is a market maker model, right? You can tell me, guys. We are in the time distortion part of this market maker model, which means this is gonna only reach the -2 level, and this is gonna reach the -4 area here. So if you short Nasdaq, you should have your TP around this level. If you short ES, you should have your TP around this level. Bam 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 bam. I just don't like this open low high close idea. Oh yeah, I'm just annotating. I think I won't trade. I already feel my mental capital is low because this big move and everything is like wow. But this is the ideal level to going lower. Yeah, the price can go higher as well, you know. There are no news for the today and tomorrow, so they can manipulate the price as much as they want. Almost like more than 200 points in 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 556 to 328. That's crazy. And we have this short-term low here. Oh, the guy just closed the short. When? Let me see. When did he close? Or maybe he still has it. I don't know, I can't see it. I want to sweep the high and then going lower, because this is not consolidation. The lower time frame, I want to see something like this on each asset. YM, Nasdaq, SP 500. Ugh. Bomb. Alright guys, anything if you want, if you have any question or something. I'm gonna listen to some music as well until. Okay, that's nice. Yeah. The inside is bearish like so. Well, this one looks bullish again, guys. But I don't say anything now because yeah, I want to see this low resistance liquidity to be taken here. It's like 40 points higher. What is that level, Alan? Yeah, I mean, honestly, I want to see the 549 to be taken in the seconds, because 556 is a doll. In that case, if the price is gonna take that on Nasdaq, right, you're gonna have SMT. Wait here, because this is the high here. Yeah. The guy is still in short, lol. Yeah, I mean, this should be actually, this is the SMT, but I want to see that price taking out this now. Looking at price being above the previous 4-hour candle and now looking bullish. Yeah, I mean, it opened, went lower and it's expanding, so this was the manipulation. On the 15 minutes time frame is still bearish, by the way, so and this is a C2 here, and we could long until this, but it's crazy. Now inside this bearish M15. Yeah, gold is consolidating. I don't really want to touch it now. You know, Nico, what I would like to? I would like to open a short or long with 20 minutes with 20 fund accounts and make 100 points with each account. And I can post it like, oh, I'm a millionaire, I'm a billionaire. So you want to see about 600? Yeah. And buy a Lambo, yeah. Yeah. flip to gamma positive that 5. Do you have any like real-time data? I mean, now we had the C2 M15 here, so if the price wants to go higher, then it should happen here if you have a 3-minute changing state of delivery. So this is really bullish, sadly. So now right now we want to see higher prices. I go on the 3 minutes. I want to see a manipulation here, but still no closure above this lol. Yeah, 50 something is coming. I want to see the price to take out that high. Yeah, 550 like in the next couple of minutes. This is first, and then this is the second level. I want to see a sweep. I want to see this 549 now. I only want to see to take out this level and this high. I want to see SMT between these highs. Like I want to see something like this. I want to see expansion like crazy big candle to 560 now. Come on, Nasdaq. Take that high. Oh, come on, Nasdaq. Really, you're gonna leave that high there? Fuck no. You're gonna go and take it out. It's like at 335. You're gonna sweep and then you're gonna reverse. I don't want to see the price coming lower first. I want to see a sweep first and then, so I want to see an open high and then low, because I think we're still gonna go lower. I just need the SMT and the highs. I don't buy this shit until we're not closing above this high. It's consolidating, so I want to see a sweep in the 1 minute time frame. I want to see a sweep and then going lower. Big expansion, like nothing crazy, it's like 30 points. Nasdaq, stop being like this lame. Yeah, I want to see higher, go higher, faster. I want to see expansion now. Yeah, here, expand higher, bro. Expand higher. Dude, just take it out. Yeah, just take it out. Here we go. Now, why are you crying, boy? Yeah, exactly. I want to see lower prices, but my idea, and this is I think crucial, I want to see SMT here. Not just we can have SMT in the 5 minutes. I don't care, but we still bearish and we retrace back to this 1 hour fair value gap, right? So I want to see lower prices, but it's 10 o'clock already and we had no fucking entry. And 10 o'clock, if we're gonna close like this, we have a bullish continuation higher, which is really bad. I mean, I had one loss that was a 50 minutes continuation lower, and I was like, alright, cool. I got out like in maybe 2 minutes or something like that. Here we go, 560. Yeah. By the way, guys, have you pressed the like on the video, or you just having chat here with me? Let me check. Oh guys, make sure please you press the like button, and thank you. Yeah, that external liquidity looks juicy. That's 600, bro. I mean, right now, honestly, Nasdaq should take this out. Nasdaq should take that shit out, bro. If not, price is a scam. Should take it out, bro. Here we go. That's what I'm talking about. Just take this shit out. That's like a scam. If the price is not taking this out. Alright, Alan, you see? Oh, you sent a message in Discord. Yeah, Alan, thank you, but I don't understand the shit at all from this chart. Like, I don't know. I mean, yeah, obvious. Just write me down if the price close on the 5 minutes time frame or the 2 minutes time frame above this level. I anticipate XYZ, so I can see what you mean, because right now I have no idea. You got like a lot of levels, so that means the 556 is a 1 day max, so we don't want to go higher than that, right? Or you want to max have this 29.6 or 700. Oh yeah, I have no idea what that core resistance ODT 0 day 2 or whatever 0 day 2x expire. Oh, I think, I'm not sure, you tell me, Nicole. So that means a lot of call actually is expiring, so they have to cover, so they're gonna sell it, so the price should go lower. That's what we mean. Alright, I wanna see a dude and just fucking left this level. You must be fucking kidding. No, it's gonna take it out, guys. Like look at this. Look at this. 2 points, $2. Fuck no. No, we didn't take that out, bro. That's crazy. I don't know. I want to target this high because it's still here, and of course this sell model is not valid anymore. We had a retrace only. Yeah, so that's like 20 something points. You literally want to see that level to be taken out. It cannot leave like that. I think that H1 is C2 but has no close for bullish, meaning I will wait for the oh yeah, I'm waiting for it as well, but ideally I want to see this level to be taken out in a second. Ooh, Did you see this down move? Wow. Like, dude, what was that? There is like absorption now. There is like a big seller step in and push the price lower, 560. Dude, my boy, come on, Nasdaq, go higher. Seller should die. Come on, dude. I wanna see this 604, 604. I wanna see 604. Dude, no, there is a big seller stopping it. No, guys, be careful. On a 1 minute time frame, they defending this 598 level. You see, Alan? If you go on the volume and the delta, dude, that's crazy. The bears and the bulls are fighting like no tomorrow. What we have? Yeah, I want to see 604, but I think they don't let the price. Wow. Dude, you see, they pushing the price lower. That's crazy. Wow, 30 points in a one minute candle. All right, guys, keep your eyes on this area. Phew, bro, I don't know. Something like this. Here we go. I told you guys, they fucking defending that area. Did you see, Alan? Yeah and no at the same time. But you see, Alan, this the 598 level, check with the delta and volume, please. You're gonna be like, oh no way, dude, that's crazy. Oh, that's a Nicolas song. Yeah, dude, that was like a that's crazy. The buyers tried so hard. This one actually is a breaker block on the 1 minute and the 3 minute time frame as well. So if the price wants to go higher, should happen here, right? But this is like 538 to 100 point, guys. That's crazy. That's crazy. What is this? Why do I have that one here? I don't trust this down move. Sorry. I don't trust this down move because we have equal highs. But you see that? Almost to the tick, guys. Let me see. My boy is still shorting 11 micros, Nicola. That's crazy. He's done like 2k. 2 that one. I mean, like, I wanna short as well, brother, too. But, dude, why your premise and why your entry model? You just enter and you wanna. I think he just anchored. Yeah, like 11 micros. That's crazy. This is a 3 minutes unicorn, right? I didn't take it, but anybody can take. Oh, I think he was not just a break-even trader. He was he wasn't even a winner. All right, who's gonna annotate this entry of mine? Okay, guys, homework. Annotate this entry of mine, what I took, okay, and upload in the Discord, please. Dude, this is a bullish up move. Wow. Yeah, I think that equal high is coming, but dude, longing here when you saw those people pushing the price like crazy down, I don't know. I mean, like, honestly, no, I wouldn't take this shit, but this is gonna go higher, guys. Like, it's gonna take out this high now. Yeah, the 603 is coming right now in a second. Come on, boy. Here we go. So now I want to see price flying like crazy. Dude, here we go. Now bearish ideas done. I have 40 more minutes. I'm gonna go have my cup of coffee. Okay, guys, give me a second.
YoloVanCoin, live on the screen, as that futures every day. You know what I mean? Daily point of interest, I wait that zone. Patience in my chest, I let the chart talk slow. TT raids, fractal model, lines in the plan. I do not chase candles, I let them come to hand. Need that 1 hour shift, state change on cue. Delivery flips clean, and I know what to do. No panic in the room, no ego at the wheel. I keep my pulse steady, I respect the feel. When price tells the truth, I don't force a play. I can sit on my hands and still win the day. See the C2 close up, then I'm ready to load up. 1 hour candle, ombre, M5 entry with no stress. YoloVanCoin, we trade with the plan. YoloVanCoin, chrome hands, cold scan. Wait for the change, then I press it right. Build up the craft, get the whole crew right. YoloVanCoin, we trade with the plan. YoloVanCoin, strong mind, sharp eyes. No fear moves here, we don't bend it for pain. Better trader every day, we rise again. I stream the session, let the people see how a clean decision can set you free. Teach the young ones how to hold that line. Not every move is yours, not every chart is mine. If the point ain't hit, I stay patient, the state don't shift. I keep it vacant. C2 closure, then I watch that seed. C3 on the hour, that's the entry I need. I talk risk first, then reward can breathe. The pro don't need noise, just a tested read. Community growing from the steps I showed. From I need a win to now I know. See the C2 close up, then I'm ready to load up. 1 hour candle, ombre, M5 entry with no stress. YoloVanCoin, we trade with the plan. YoloVanCoin, throw hands, cold scan. Wait for the change, then I press it right. Build up the craft, get the whole crew right. YoloVanCoin, we trade with the plan. YoloVanCoin, strong mind, sharp eye. No fear moves here, we don't bend for pain. Better trader every day, we rise again. I used to want it fast, now I want it right. Let the market breathe, then I step in light. No emotional trade, that's a heavy chain. I cut that loose and I teach the game. YoloVanCoin, we trade with the plan. YoloVanCoin, cold hands, cold scan. Wait for the change, then I press it right. Build up the craft, get the whole crew right. YoloVanCoin, we trade with the plan. YoloVanCoin, strong mind, sharp eye. No fear moves here, we don't bend for pain. Better trader every day, we rise again.
Yo, I'm back. Breako. Here we go. I wanna see this high to hold. What's up, my guys? You were taking on the M5C2. What you talk? Yeah, I mean, like, yeah, I was, but the homework is that to take a print screen and annotate. No, just kidding. I'm not lazy. I'm gonna do it. Probably I'm gonna upload tomorrow because today I'm a bit busy. I'm gonna work on a couple of new videos, guys. Anyway, to upload. I'm gonna try to give you guys like a step-by-step tutorial of the fractals, so you can just follow those like step by step and make your own entry criteria. And I was working on the things already, so I'm gonna record tomorrow. This should go higher now. Oh shit. Oh, whoa, this one is still intact, this high. Yeah. I don't know, guys. Who's gonna long from here? That's gonna go and take out the 650 now. 650 is coming. Here we go. Here we go, baby. Yeah, I'm just annotating, guys. I think I won't take a trade even today. So I think today when I woke up I was a bit tired. So that's dude, the guy is longing now with 1 micro. Gee, he just closed and now he's longing. Wow. Yeah, the 3 minutes break block worked. So we still have SMT between the Nasdaq, YM, and dude, we still have SMT, so be careful. We still have the same high intact on the 1 hour time frame. And I think Nasdaq is the asset that actually lying because it's higher now, and both of the YM and ES. Okay, so what happening? YM went higher, ES is really close, and the lowest is actually YM. So that means this is leading, this is actually in the middle, and this is following, but this should go low, right? If it would be a good correlation, but I'm not sure. I'm still learning that too. But now let me see another long from here. Here we go. Where's the 11 o'clock is here. I'm gonna go 9 o'clock. Here's the 9 o'clock, and the 10 o'clock is here. Here we go. Yeah, something like this. That's really sick. If you have 5 micros, it's 300 loss. Oh yeah. No, I'm just annotating the chart. I got one loss today and I'm done for the day because I don't like these huge moves. Yeah, but yeah. Exactly. Whew. Okay, we still have SMT, that's crazy. So we have a double SMT at, wow, I think we bearish as fuck. I'm telling you, the price is gonna reverse. I don't buy this. I don't buy this. We're still in the lowest part of the discount. Nicole is the best student. Ta-da! Congratulations. Good job, Nicole. We have a bullish SMT at the lows as well on all the assets. I don't know. Oh yeah, oh yeah. But you remember, like, oh, you shouldn't watch live streams and other things, blah blah blah, because you're gonna be, you're gonna copy trade. But you remember when we were talking about that? That's bullshit, because we can teach people to, fish. We don't have to give them copy trading. Yeah, and now you are critical thinking. Exactly. That's what absolutely I wanna see everybody. I wanna see you guys to leave my Discord in the next half year. Okay, I don't wanna be you guys stay. I mean, like, you can stay if you want to have fun, but on the educational level, I think I'm only a good educator if you profitable after like a couple of months or something, because I mean, that's why you're here over there. You're asking questions, and if you put the work into it, there is no way you won't be profitable. No, I mean, like, that trade was a continuation entry. Yeah, that was a. I think I was telling in the live that's a B setup, so I was risk accordingly. But now I'm risking a bit more. So when I enter in the trade, guys, I usually enter with 5 micros to 1 mini, because I have my buffer. Let me see the guy. Yeah, he's longing with 1 micro now. I think he burned himself, and he doesn't want to miss the long now. Who else is streaming? Everybody stopped the stream already. Wow. Wow. We still have 1 hour. Okay, Ninja guys, no. Who is that guy? Oh man. Oh. Trading by Matt. Big Daddy. I don't wanna. Who is streaming? Oh shit. Okay, we have a absolutely amazing C3, both of the candles, so both of the indices, so bullish as fuck. All right, we shall see a manipulation into the point of interest on the 1 hour point of interest. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, I have this one here. Okay, I have this, I have this, I have this. This is really bullish close. Actually went lower and higher, so actually took all the liquidity. There is no such a common sense it should reverse on us. So probably the 1 hour fair value gap is the target on ES, and maybe this is the second target, like 20-30 points higher, but ideally we close bullish as well. So we have a bullish changing state of delivery, so now we are allowed to looking for longs. That's absolutely amazing. So I'm looking for longs. I go on the 5-minute. This is my 5-minute point of interest. I don't need this. I want to delete the unnecessary things on my chart. Here we go. I don't need this. Let me make it clear, so I can reorganize my thought process around the trade. Okay, I don't need this here. Perfect. Okay, what I have, I don't need this here, and this one too. Okay, so this is a 1 hour. Let me see. One here. This is not a real one. I don't like this OB. Let me see the OB here. 7 o'clock to 8. Oh yeah, I want to see the people actually showing their losses, because now I see the guy who posted like he made 20 something thousand in one trade. I don't think so he's gonna post the loss he had. They're now really posting that shit. Okay. Oh yeah, of course, but he entered, so and he's telling like no setup, no trade. Okay, we have SMT between YM, Nasdaq, and ES YM, but we have a C3 continuation. I was looking for C4 for the next bearish PDA, which is gonna be this fair value gap over there, and of course on Nasdaq as well. I have another fair value gap here, but I have another one here, and I think they can manipulate the price higher like crazy because there's no news. We had open low. I need a 5-minute changing state of delivery here as well. And then don't forget guys, this is the only OB we have, so I want to see a down move. Probably I want to see a down move somewhere here, back to this OB, sorry, breaker block. So the 5-minute time frame, we have this breaker block here, so I want to see a reversal into this 1 hour point of interest, no sorry, continuation, and a 1 hour low forming, and this is the ideal area. I don't want to see lower than the 50% of the point of interest, right? Oh yeah, I'm gonna play for the free flat. Oh fuck, no, I can't. Nico, that's a C3, not C2. I mean, it's a C2, but you have to anticipate as a C3 bullish closure because it closed above the whole candle. So you use the whole range, 50% and the closure, right? Let me see how many likes I have on the video, because I have a feeling like just only 2. Who is watching this stream at all? I see like people watching, but I only Nicole and Alan is here. Who else is here, guys? Alright, I got 3 likes, guys. You have some mechanical problem with your fingers and you cannot click on the like, or what? I'm disappointed, guys. Oh, you're here. YM is reversing. YM had a consolidation. This is fucking crazy. YM is going lower, Nasdaq is going higher, and ES is actually consolidating. Which asset is lying now? Again, bro, look at this. YM is going lower, ES is consolidating, and Nasdaq is going higher. So we bent into this fair value gap, but nothing crazy. Why do I use the arrow? I don't know, guys. Wow. Dude, is there any good streamer who's not trying to give you a free account and let me see. Oh, a Ninja Trader, no. Trader Fight TV, no. Top Step, no, thank you. Who is this guy? No. No. Yeah, Big Daddy, no. Official links, no. Heat map, I don't care. Zack Smith, I don't know, guys. I would love to engage with the indices, but it's against my bias and doesn't feel right. Why is it against your bias? What happened? There is no 5 minutes changing state of delivery on Nasdaq, just only on ES. So what's the problem? ES made the changing state of delivery, right? So it has a 1 hour changing state of delivery. You see? So now it's officially the medium time frame turned to be bullish. So I think ES is gonna go higher as well after this 5 minute closure. After this closure. I'm not in the trade and not taking any trade. I'm just tape reading because this is like, wow, crazy. So there is a guy, I found him on Facebook, and he has this short video that was of reels or whatever, like, and he's so fucking smart, and he's like, oh, if you don't use footprint, you're missing a lot out. If you do this, if you don't use this, da 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 da, you know, like this, trying to create this scarcity mindset, you to join his bullshit Discord, whatever. And I watched some of his streams, like the last 15 streams he had. He barely had a winner. Most of his trades are fucking losers. Okay, so now ES should go higher. Yeah, it should go higher. Anyway, but yeah, this is crazy. And this guy is like, oh, if you don't use footprint and volume and this, oh, ideally you're a loser and shit like that. He talks like this, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna watch some of his videos because you know we are students. Let me see what he's talking about. Dude, I haven't seen his even one. I haven't seen him to win even once. Crazy. Oh yeah, but that's another guy. Watron is another guy too. I don't know what's happening with him these days. Yeah, but I remember that all Discord I was part of it, all the people were just fucking posting their wins and they never mentioned that they have losers and break evens, and I that was one trader I respected so much, and I just realized that that person is just a break even trader. I was like, yeah, sure. So then why are you not posting your losses? It's not ideal. It's not cool. It's not cool. Not cool. Alright guys. I wanna have a tape reading and an entry. I mean tape reading and entry. Wow. Grammar is not my proper side. Asian high is still intact. I think Asian high is coming on God. No, just kidding. I'm gonna just fucking close God. You see Nico this consolidation. No thank you. Oi consolidation as well. And then expanding. Probably this is a manipulation. So what's going on? We have a bearish changing state of delivery. We retrace back to this bearish order fair value gap, and after this closure I would short and target this pre-daily low, but I'm not looking for a trade crude oil because like really sensitive the headlines. I just want to look for indices now. Yeah. Well, I see more people is watching this stream. Can you please just press like on the right side? You just go lower. Let me show you. Yeah, lower on the right side and click. Yeah, thank you. Oh boys, I wish I could just close my eyes and just short Nasdaq with 20 minis and don't think about it if it's gonna be a winner or loser because I have unlimited money. No, just kidding. But I see a lot of people having like more live accounts and they full porting, so that means they entering the trade with full leverage they can have, and they posting when they have a win. There's a big fire around Lanto these days. I don't know. I don't know anything about that guy, but he made a 2.4 million in one day in dollar. I think he was shorting Nasdaq and ES with 20 minis or something. I don't remember exactly. Let me find his channel. Lanto, I guess. Yeah. Oh boy. Yeah, he made a $3 million. He said. Oh, we have a pure consolidation on indices right now. What you saying, Nico? I want to see a manipulation. So this is not ideal. But I want to see. I want to see something like this. or maybe deeper retrace. Nice. Pom 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 pom. Oh shit, I'm gonna put the music back, I forgot. Alright, 17. Yep. I think we're gonna have expansion soon. One direction, not sure which direction, but so 30 minutes is bullish. 15 made the C2, so probably it's gonna go lower now. But here we have this bullish, but the 15 minute has no wick. So on the 1 minute time frame, we should have a closure below 74.69. This can be a good SMT between the two assets. Here we go. Now we had a wick at a low. Alright, Nicole. It's already so hard if I switch on the shit. I think 11:30 we're gonna have some action until it's gonna consolidate, manipulate, and distribution is gonna happen 11:30 ish. The 30 minute is bullish. Yeah, we came back that level. I think this is a manipulation higher before we going back to this point of interest. So right now, this is the new, we want to see a closure above. We had a 5-minute changing state of delivery here from this fair value gap. Crazy. But on a 1 minute time frame, I think that's a range move. That's a low, range low. So that should be actually a consolidation high, but like should go higher now based on a 1 minute time frame. Come on. No closure yet, like strong closure, so. That's a rejection. So that was a manipulation out of the range. And now we're gonna see lower prices. Is it a 1 minute? Let me see the 15-minute imbalances. Yeah. Short from here. Put the stop loss there and 2R. Let's go, Nasdaq. Die. And now I want to see price going lower until here. 664. 664 is coming, guys. Let me see how the price is reacting here. And because this is the only imbalance, I mean, we already below that imbalance. I want to see this imbalance to fill here. Here we go. I want to see lower prices now. I want to see this range low to support the price going lower from here to there. No, it's not really. I want to see this 15 minutes imbalance to be filled. I want to see this area to not let the price going back to the range. So I want to see this inverse 1 minute fair value gap to push the price lower. And this was a support. Now I want to see this act as a resistance if it closes back to the range. But so nice. So I want to see the price going lower. I want to see this 1 minute hold. I want to see this hold, and I want to see price going lower. On the 5 minutes time frame, dude, that's crazy rejection. Yeah, I mean, ideally we want to see continuation lower from here. We had this time distortion area, right? We swept the high here. What the fuck is that? Dude, I don't want to listen to any shit like that. Sorry guys. So then we close below this. It should be protected high on the 1 minute time frame, but price does what it wants to do. But ideally we don't want to see price going higher. We want to see the price to reverse now and going lower. If the bearish idea is still, you know, we don't have a wick on the 1 minute time frame, so it's not good. Probably there's going to be an open low high close candle. What is C3, Nicole? Are you talking gold? Here we go. This is the rejection I want to see. I don't have the gold open. Let me open the gold. I don't want a long gold. For me, gold looks I think this was a better opportunity if you understand this entry, guys. I want to see say if you enter there, you should have the 2R here. So you should be out now with 2R. But honestly, I want to see this imbalance here to tag in this 65. $20 more points. There is nothing, Nasdaq. There is nothing. Until the imbalance, there is not even a order block. Just go. Yeah, it's gonna go and take out this this level. 54. Call me a magician. Where is my crystal ball, guys? So I feel happy now because I was tape reading and I was accurate. Pop, 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 pop. That's not bad. Dude, if you short from that 725 to 664, that's 36 point and 25. That's $610, $600 with 5 micros. Damn, that's a big money. Who took the short, guys? Let me open the gold because I know, guys, you wanna see gold. Just give me a second. Here we go. Where's my gold? Yes. So you want a long nickel gold? For me, is it okay? We have a C1, C2. We have a double sweep. That's not bad, nickel. That's not bad. Idea. Let me annotate just to see. We took out the pre-daily low. The most valid liquidity is the Asian high. You right. Let me see on the 5 minute time frame. Oof. Now we had the C2 inside the so we had the C2 here. Okay, that's not bad as well. And did we have a manipulation? Yeah, we had a manipulation. So the long should be from here and target that high. It's not a bad idea, nickel, actually. If you want a long gold, actually, you're not wrong. Let me open my gold chart on the 1 minute time frame. So on the 5 minute time frame, this should be a protected low, right? Yeah. And that's an Asian high. What is this level now? What is the Asian high? The 1 hour time frame. I want to see this on the 1 minute as well. Back to 5 minute time frame. Yeah, something like this. This is a valid long opportunity. The medium time frame is bullish. We took out the pre-daily low. We had this let me check now. What is my here? Let me just annotate. This one is H1C1. H1C2, and now inside the H1C3. And ideally we don't want to see lower than the 50% of this area. And this is a C3, and this is a C2. Yes sir, I'm in it. Good luck guys. I'm not taking gold. I not really want to touch anything today. Probably because my mental capital is low. Whoa, dude, That's crazy. 1 hour, 15 minutes. Reach my level? Of course it did. Long, fuck, we missed this long short. But at least we saw it, right? That's not bad. The only problem, if that one is going lower, maybe God is gonna go lower too. I hope not, but we never know. Oh no, I wanna see this on the, just on the 5 minutes. Here we go. Yeah. Yeah. There wasn't any entry, right? Alright, we wanna see expansion now. We wanna see a new changing state of delivery to form soon. Otherwise, this is not really cool. This is a 50% off M5 OB. Come on, God. Once in a life, just do what we want you to do, okay? Thank you. Boom, 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 boom. Is anybody? Oh no, Rips is not streaming. Ninja Tune guys, no. I don't care about my funded future guys, no. Day trading with that, no. This guy is still? No, this guy is not trading. Oh, he had, okay, you remember that guy I mentioned, this footprint chart whatever guy, he had another loss. So that's like a 14 loss in a row. Every day he has a loss. I think I'm gonna stop watching him. So, and I'm gonna block his advertisements because it's crazy. Yeah, I think Nasdaq is gonna go lower. There is a no wick here. Yeah. Okay. I want to see Nasdaq to going the 550 because there is no wick at that 1 hour candle, so has to take out this low. Come on, Nasdaq, go and take it out. 550. Dude, take the 550 out, dude. I don't believe this up. On a 1 minute candle, there is a way to go lower. This one has to be taken, this 550 on Nasdaq. This is a 15-minute candle. Okay, 45, 4 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame is bearish. C2. Okay, that's a 15. Yeah, I want to see this 15 minute, 1 minute, 1 hour no wick candle to be taken out. This is a 15 minutes fair value gap as well. I want to see gold consolidating, but I want to see Nasdaq to take out this 550 level. So who else is streaming now? Who is not just a fake influencer? I think I'm gonna listen to Top Step, guys, because I'm bored. Let's go, Nasdaq. Take out that 550 level. Let me see Nasdaq. Yeah, on Nasdaq we have a no wick as well, so it should take it out. This 549. All right, now since Nasdaq wants to go higher, guys, that's crazy. That's crazy. Actually, the 50 minutes candle is gonna flip to bullish. Wow. Almost 100 point, guys. That's crazy. Dude, that's crazy. Oh, come on, guys. That guy was lucky, fuck. And he's talking now. He had this 1 point drawdown on his long on Nasdaq or ES, and he's talking like a genius. Fuck me. Sure, yeah. You are genius, brother. Yeah, you are. Alright, let me see the 5 minutes. Yeah. Dude, these people are talking shit like no tomorrow. So fucking funny. Yeah, bro, this is I'm just gonna switch off that shit because I don't wanna even listen to that. And he's like in euphoria. Dude, this is crazy. Dude, I'm so bored. There is no like a real channel that I just can watch some goodie. Fuck. Gold. Alright, Gold is gonna make a new OB. That's nice. There should be the 1.5 here. Here. Here we go. That's a break even. New 5 minute changing state of delivery. Perfect. $15 is right by PM high. Huh? What 15? Oh, 1.5. Oh yeah. The break even should be a 69.7. I don't understand this 15 is right by PM high. Yeah, you should chill, daddy, chill. Why are you so typing so fast, dude? All right, let me see something. Oh yeah, sure. This guy is talking about he almost took a 200 point. Yeah, dude, shut up. Is there any real trader like who is not flexing with their wins? Like, dude, like, I don't care how much you made. I only care about that you're talking about like on the smart educational things. All right, stop the guys. No, the ninja trader guys are shorting. Okay. I don't need this long on Nasdaq. I think it's gonna go lower. Okay, you know what, guys? I don't want to listen to these guys. I mean, like when I talking, do I sound like I'm smart fucker or something? Because these people talking like they know everything, bro. So like, fuck no. Like, I don't know, a lot of traders should be more humble or something like that, because their egos are so like I'm just bored because now I'm not trading. The price action is slow. I just want to read the price action, but I cannot read more than, you know. Thank you guys. It's those people like fuck me. Oh, I make a $12,000 with 20 accounts. Yeah, dude. So why are you fucking streaming for money, dude? Shut up. Oh man. All right. Yeah, exactly. Like, I don't know, these people like let's see this guy. Like, he posted he make $500,000 in 1 month, and he's selling a Discord. Dude, my Discord only costs money because I do the fucking weekly recaps, which I'm selling on Buy Me a Coffee, and I cannot give for free to people because it's like a paid product on Buy Me a Coffee, and you exactly pay the same. Like, you join a Discord, you get all the pre-market weekly recaps that you can buy in a month. And these guys, like, dude, if you make that amount of money, like $500,000, why are you charging $100 for a Discord? Because you fucking buying more accounts and accounts. It's so bad. So I don't want to say anything because they're gonna hate me, but dude, this is crazy. Like, yeah, sure. Yeah, they can hate on me, I don't care. So, but anyway, this is still bearish. We just retraced back to the 50% off. So let's see if I use a premium discount area here. Okay, it's a premium and discount, and I go to the 1 minute time frame. I want to see what I want to see this lag. Okay, I'm gonna put again the premium discount, and now we are inside this 1 minute almost. So what I would like to see is this is a already balanced area, so it doesn't make any sense to come back here. This is the last imbalance. If the price wants to go lower, it should happen here. If if you have a 1 minute changing state of delivery here, then you can have a lower prices like this. Pum 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 pum. Oh, let me see the gold. Beautiful, beautiful. 2R should be here. Let me just put, yeah. Is it too late? I don't know. If the price wants to go lower, it should happen here. Yeah, I mean that makes sense. Put your stop loss here, right? The 52 level, because that should be a protected OB, right? So 52 now, 52.6 should be your stop loss right now, right? Because price made a new bullish OB, and we have this failure swing here between this high and nothing else. So we want to see price coming out, retest and going higher. Okay, I like this reaction so far. And then of course we went higher than this liquidity level here. This is a short-term high. We took out the short-term high. And I want to see a price going lower. Let's go gold. Don't die now. Just fucking go. I mean, the price just reached the volume area high and actually rejected again, and the previous high is around the volume area high as well. So the volume area high based on volume profile is 43.64. All right, Alan, see you tomorrow. I like this reaction on the SP 500. So fuck no, Nasdaq. Always, brother. Cheers, yo. Next time I'm gonna have as well Sunday probably. Again, I'm gonna have this question and answer in the Discord. So I'm gonna drop. Hop. I like this reaction. I like this reaction. I wanna see lower prices now on NQ. Come on, Nasdaq, go lower, die. That's what I'm talking about. So that actually reinforces the thesis the price wants to go higher. If we have a closure here after this inverse fair value gap retested this area, and if it closes below, here we go. Yeah, we want to wait another OB too long, a short lower. Gold retested this imbalance. Perfect. Now we want to see the price going higher. There is no imbalance, yeah, but we want to see the price going higher. Only problem is that, Nicole, it's an open high. There is no wick, so it just opened and went higher now. Okay, good. So ideally, I don't want to see this candle coming back to this order block. Otherwise, that's gonna go against us. Yeah, I mean, I can mark the 50% of this OB, and it's an open high candle, so probably there's gonna be an open high low close. So, or open, sweep the low like a candle open. It's gonna sweep the low and then make like a 6 p.m. open sweep, you know, at the daily candle, exactly the same. Open went higher, Asia, then sweep the low and going higher. But I like this reaction so far. So this is here as well, the OB. Let me see that. Guys, do you think if I delete myself from Twitter, is gonna be any like a bad thing for me, or it's okay to not be on Twitter? Because like there is no real value on Twitter actually. I like this reaction on gold, guys. Beautiful. It's really toxic, yeah. We still have 2 more minutes, but there is no wick. Gold is reversing on this inverse fair value gap, so that was just a sweep. So the price is retracing and swap this internal low, and now if it closes above, then there's gonna be a. The only problem is that this is a whole down move, right? But we had this changing state of delivery here. We had this changing state of delivery here. So we wanna see a changing state of delivery here to target higher prices. So if the price is gonna close above, then we can say this is gonna be the move, like 700 to 740. Alright, I don't want to see gold to sweep this high and close back to the range. I want to see price going higher like crazy. So that was Nico's break even. Here we go. I want to see huge expansion now. I don't want to see this here. Oh, wow. Nasdaq is dying. So no closure, yeah? Need a closure below that level. Alright, Nasdaq is gonna go lower now. What about ES? ES reached, make the OB exactly the same. We have this leg down, retrace back to this premium. All right, I want to see lower prices on both indices and higher prices on gold. Beautiful. You should be in break even now, Nicole. That's awesome. And I'm gonna have my position in break even as well. So I took this on the M15C2, M15 point of interest retest, and I entered the retest of this OB here. So my long as well from this 359.7, and I'm targeting this slightly higher than this high here. So I want to see the price coming to the 13.8. Hopefully it won't be break even. Okay guys, I was sniping there at the same time, and now you have this here. I want to see the price retest this OB and going lower from that level. Yes sir, yeah. So you understand my entry guys, yeah? Yeah, that's why I put in break even as well. So I was waiting for this retest. I entered, and then I was like, I don't want to target the Asian high. I'm more than happy. So I was waiting for the new 1 minute OB as well, forming from the M15 point of interest. We have the M15C2 inside the M15 H1C3, so that should be the protected low. This should be protected as well. Now I put my break, so I shouldn't come back lower, but I think it will. It's gonna take me out because there is no wick here. Here you see, I hope it's gonna take my 2R before it's gonna reverse on me, but I think it's gonna be a break-even trade based on my experience. Yeah, actually I wanna see this price just tanking to this low, like at least here. The only problem is that this is a premium discount range, and the price wants to go higher. Took out this would be the area where it can reverse on us. So I want to see the price coming back to this OB here and give us a short opportunity, because that's gold was a good entry because the stop loss was small. Yeah, reached our break-even level, and that was a short-term, not even a short-term high, so shouldn't reverse on us. It should just retrace to this OB and then going higher. Take out this short-term high and then reverse maybe, but shouldn't go lower than the 50% of this OB, because this is a 50% of this OB. This is a CE, so this is a 50%. So I'm gonna put this OB, oh shit, no, I'm gonna put this OB here. By the way guys, do you like the idea I do the PDF in the Discord to explaining my entries and everything? I don't like the idea it open went higher. The next 5 minute candles means it's gonna come lower. I don't wanna see closing below the 50% of this order block, because and can you study? I mean, do you, okay, I like this, the new 1 hour candle opened. We had this C2 closure, so I want to see lower prices. And this is a 1 hour point of interest. One hour point of interest. And 5 minute. Yeah, I want to see the price going to take out this 59 now. Probably it's gonna manipulate into, yeah, the range. Okay, this one I want to see only for the 1 minute time frame. There we go. This one as well. perfect. So this is a 1 hour point of interest, but we have no confirmation. I mean, this 1 hour swap this. No, I don't need the 15 minutes now. Swap this, but this is not yeah, it's confirmed. Yeah, that's cool. We had this, that's confirmed, bearish, perfect. And we need a closure below this level, and this is a devious mark here on the 1 hour time frame. Let me see gold. Yeah, I don't really like that it came back already. I want to see a rejection. It's forming actually a M5 C2. Let me see. Good reaction. Come on, gold draw. What trade did you take, Nicole? Gold RCT continuation. Yeah, M5 continuation. And in Zactis I have M15. So I entered here on the retest. We had this this H1 C3, and I was waiting for the C2 M15, and I entered actually the M15 C3, and I put break even after 1.5 hour, which is here at this 59 level. So I have as well the same entry. I just narrowed down on the 1 minute time frame. And on Nasdaq, that's crazy. I want to see this is a manipulation. I don't need this. Why do I see this? I don't need this here. And this I want to see only on 1 minute time frame. Is it understandable in Zactis why I entered on the M1 time frame and the new swing formation inside the C3 H1? You remember yesterday I was talking about a lot. Okay, we had this no wick. That's a devious 58 level. We had a, I don't need a C here, there, I need just a 1 hour time frame. Okay, we had a C2 as well here. This is my H1 point of interest. H1 point of interest is that level and this open. So I want to see a manipulation into and going lower. And we had this confirmation here, and we don't have a confirmation of this. So okay, I don't like gold reaction. I don't want to see this no imbalance, so I don't really worry about anything. The 1 hour candle just opened, so that's ideal if it open, goes low and goes higher. So if I go and annotate the whole range, and this is the like here, that's the H1 point of interest. Sadly, the 1 hour point of interest is where our stop loss as well. So hopefully won't sweep this low, because it's already tagged into this fair value gap, so shouldn't, and just should go higher. But the problem is that what Nasdaq is doing actually, I guess that's have a effect on the price. Yeah, but on the 1 hour, oh god, let me go back to gold, sorry. You don't wanna see that retested, because where is your break-even level? Your break-even level should be 58, and then if it retests the OB, this one, that's a 58, probably that's gonna go and sweep this low here, but shouldn't. So ideally I want to see new order block form here and target higher prices. One hour OB, what you talking about? That's a order block here. We already closed above the order block here. Oh, why do I have this on a 1 hour time frame? I need only for the 5 minutes. You talking about what, Nicole? 1 hour OB? Yeah, but that's the last OB here. What you talking about? My daddy, you chill, daddy, chill. I think you're tripping, no? Okay, now you're talking about M5, whatever. No, you don't have to have a mic to be able to type. She isn't translating well to typing, lol. I mean, like, you got fingers, girl. Yeah, it's reacting, but I'm only relaxed when we close above this. You know, because I want to see the new 1 hour candle to make the protected low, right? Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna mute you. I'm gonna mute the fuck off you then. No, just kidding. Yeah, come on, Nasdaq. What the fuck are you doing? Can you decide what you wanna do? Dude, there's no fuck this this low is so juicy. You see, Nicole? We have these failure swings from here to here. So I think the PM's gonna just tank. So right now we had this open low high and we closed below, so that was a breaker block. And we went lower. Now we open high and we try to make a new breaker block to going lower from this point of interest, which is a C3. On the 15 minutes, I don't really wanna tag in, but the 15 minutes is still bullish because it didn't close below these OBs. So I wouldn't change time frame right now. Yeah, but I want to see Nasdaq going lower. I want to see this low to be taken, but for that I need a closure. I want to see this going higher now. Oh, oh, that's your song, Nicole. Dude, what is that? Crazy. Yeah. Well, let me see this guy. Where is he? He usually shows his TPs like he made $1 million like in 5 minutes. I'm gonna listen to him. What's up, Alex? What's up? His name is Alex. Come on, God, move higher. Nah, yeah, I don't like this reaction on God. Fuck. But at least there is no wick. So we're gonna have a high, open, low, high, close candle here. That's gonna be, this candle is gonna be open, low, high, close. That's gonna be a bullish candle. Dude, we have so many of the failure swings here. I wanna see this fucking die. But there is no wick here, so I can't short. Let me see, 30 minutes, that's, 50 minutes, 4 more minutes and we had a consolidation low, consolidation high. Wow, I think 649 is coming on Nasdaq. Okay, I'm gonna go to the restroom real quick, guys. Yo, yo, yo. Here we go. I told you. What's the number? There's 649. I told you 649 is coming. Let me see gold. Come on, gold. I like the idea there is no body closure, but as I mentioned, that's gonna be an open low high close candle, you remember, because there wasn't any high. I want to see the price going higher than this level. If not, I think that's gonna go against us. This Nasdaq 1 minute candle has no wick, so it's gonna be an open low high close. So we are inside this whole range, and inside this range we had this up move, retested this premium, we're trying to going higher. So right now this is the range from this high, no, this low to that high, and now we want to see lower prices. I need the charts of Rina to Asia high. See, ¿qué tal, Nicole? ¿Qué tal? Let me clean a bit the chart. So we had a bullish changing state of delivery here, so we bullish. I don't need this here, I don't need these failure swings here, I can see that. More money please. More money, more problem, yeah? So that's the whole range, that's it's not bad because we swapped this internal liquidity here, so we're gonna see lower prices. They should be protected. Yeah, we have SMT here. Here we go. But of course I won't take it, but I don't need this. This one bullish, bullish, and now it's bullish. So the 1 minute time frame is bullish, yeah? Oh, whoa, look at this move, girl. Look, let me see gold. Finally, 4 more minutes. Hey, brother. I don't like it, brother. Probably there's gonna be a low resistance liquidity run here. But I wanna see a closure above that level, right? Oh, my favorite part when the traders are talking about that they have that much money that they cannot spend on things, so they're gonna start to buy like farms and houses and shit like that. Come on, come on guys, shut the fuck up. Oh dude, we have equal highs. Yeah, I mean we have a low resistance liquidity until here. I want to send this channel you, Nicole, on Discord. This guy is like a joke. Oh boy. Yeah, I want to see the price expanding crazy high right now. Okay, Nasdaq, that's the last leg. That's the last leg as well. Let me. They're talking that much, so much bullshit, bro. Sometimes I just feel like, yeah, sure. Dude, this is like so much things on the chart. Okay, now we bullish, so I'm gonna just only annotate the current low time frame trend. So we bullish and we inside this whole range again. So what happened, Nicole, or anybody who is watching this stream, we had this range high, we had this range low, and now we're just consolidating inside this range on Nasdaq. On gold, I don't like this reaction, Nicole. I want to see a closure So this is literally like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. In the last half an hour, it's tried to sweep this high, and it can come back to this 56 now. So probably there's gonna be a break-even trade, sadly. I love this cup. Keeps my coffee so hot for a long time. Yeah, but we are in the trade, so we don't give a fuck. But you see, Nicole, the price currently doing what I was annotating in the last when, like 11:55. I draw this, and I still respecting my draws, so I have magic hands, right? Of course, this guy, did you hear that? Listen, this guy, oh, there was a crazy morning guy, up a lot of money. He always does, and then he's gonna take a principal of his 20 accounts and posting like, making like $20,000 each account. And then he was like, hey, if you wanna join my Discord. Here we go, check Nico, now he's posting now, of course. Yeah, sure, yeah, sure. Yeah, I love these influencers, bro. Like, I don't know, is anybody like believe these guys? Like, they posting they make $20,000 one day and they charging like $70 for their Discord. Like, literally, is it legit? Would you really buy the Discord, guys? Like, yeah, check, he's posting right now. He's so fucking funny, that guy is hilarious. Of course, and only he streams in Discord, right? So, and then when he actually trades PM session, it's always like accidentally what's the name, a challenge, like a prop firm challenge account, right? Not real account, not live account. Yeah, 50k now. Yeah, sure. He has to post bigger okay, lunchbox mode. Oh yeah, lunchbox mode. That's the strategy he actually selling right now. Dude, this is hilarious. I just feel like, oh man. The truth is, guys, I really luck in the big money today. Fuck you. Do you remember the prop firm accounts? Yeah. Yeah, I don't like this god. Like, it's too fucking slow. We're not able to close above, but at least we have this open low. So ideally we want to see expansion higher. It makes sense to make at least like a 10 points expansion or something, because it opened, went lower, now it's trying to going higher. So if the buyers are stepping in, we should go higher. If not, then we're gonna make a lower low than this, I guess. And he always trades like challenges, right? And I was joking like a couple of weeks ago. I texted in his in a YouTube chat. I was like, dude, how? Because I don't know, all the women traders are everywhere, right? And I was like, look, how do you have this guest trader to invite it? And he was like, I don't know. What do you think? I was like, all right, cool, chill. Yeah, show your account, brother. Show your account. Yeah, you see, there's no new high. Ah, fuck. Yeah, I think God's gonna go take this low out now, and then it can actually make a, can make a TP. So what I think is gonna happen is we're gonna go sweep this low, and then it's gonna go higher, because right now this low is weak because wasn't strong enough to push the price higher than this high. So this high was stronger to push the price lower, so it retesting this area, and we can anticipate more sellers to step in to take out this low and we see how the bulls are reacting here. So my stop loss is here at 360. It's like a small profit, but probably it's gonna be break even, so I have no delusion expectations, right? Of course, brother, I believe you. Now he's talking about his trades, yeah, sure. I wish there would be like YouTube channels, like they don't wanna tell you the fucking like the truth and everything. They just wanna trade and talking about the trade. Of course. Yeah. With the 5 point stop loss. Yeah, sure. Okay, if you have another closure above this level, if you miss this entry, you can still contribute and go for this Asian high. Right now it looks like a consolidation, sadly. Consolidation high, consolidation low. Ah, he's talking about 30 trades, lol. Yeah. Yeah, he was... Oh no, he's again playing with the challenge in real time, right? Not like funded account. He's only playing real money when inside Discord. Yeah, sure. What's the difference? Why are you only playing in Discord? Come on. And of course, he always risking like way more than he should. All right. Let's go, give us a new order block. So who has missed the long then can maybe participate here, because Asian high is so close. Yeah, he wants to long now Nasdaq. Alright, that's cool. What time frame is that? 5 minutes? It's consolidating, brother. What the fuck? You want a long here? Good luck. Warning, we have detected audio in your stream. Alright, cool, thank you. Oh man. Yeah, I think Nasdaq is gonna go lower. It doesn't look like a short. Yeah, I want to see 95 now. Yeah, I want to see the price coming to take out this 590.60-ish level. It's an open high candle on 1 minute time frame, so ideally I want to see price to going lower to take out this. Yeah, that level 2 and that level 2. Here we go, beautiful, beautiful. Now I want to see 579. All right, gold is ranging. There's nothing we can do. What is this? Oh, the 1 minute time frame? No. Oh, 5 minutes changing state of delivery. Yeah, it's not bad. If it close below, we're gonna go to this low. Oh, dude, we have ass empty at the lows. Okay, this candle is an open high, so I want to see going lower. I want to see to take out this 579 level. I think this is a fake up move. I want to see to take out this low, because there is a no wick here. And this 1 minute candle, 5 minute candle has no wick, so ideally this is gonna be an open high, low close, or at least the liquidity level for the later price move, and that's gonna be actually. So the price should really go back to this range now. We went rejected, we rejected. Now inside this up move we have this internal OB, so this is an internal OB which we want to see to hold. So I want to see the price to reject this level and going to this internal liquidity is a 549. Let me see. Yeah, there is no fucking wick. Yeah, 549 is coming now. Pom, beam, pom. Gold is ranging. If gold goes higher, Nasdaq goes lower, then that's awesome. But right now I want to see this devil's mark to be taken. And this 5 minute candle opened, went higher, no low, so I want to see that going to take this. We have a lot of low resistance liquidity here. That one, that one, that one, and that one. So I want to see those lows to be taken. Here as well, I want to see this, and this to be taken, but I think these are too far, so ideally we want to see only these three levels, which is gonna be the devil's mark here. So I want to see this level to be taken on ES, and I want to see at least the devil's mark here on Nasdaq. Are you with me, guys? All right, let's go on Nasdaq. Go and sweep that low, and then you can reverse. I'm with you. Thank you, Nicole. Yeah, I want to see a quick aggressive move in the next 5 minutes candle, something like this. And then I want to see a 5-minute consolidation. And then I want to see another expansion lower. And then I want to see whatever it wants to do, like this. What the fuck are you talking about? You're cooking, you're not even shorting. Yeah, you're not in the trade. What the fuck are you shorting, dude? Chill. Okay, now I want to see this closing like bearish. We have a 5-minute candle. Here we go. 59 seconds. No, yeah, I'm just tape reading, Nico. I want to see this low. I think if the Nasdaq SP500 is gonna take this 74.40, Nasdaq will reverse as well. We swap this low, so now only these two liquidities we have. If it's gonna be a sweep, then it's gonna go back to this level, which we don't. Fuck, why I this? I need this. We don't wanna see this here, because that case that's gonna go back like this. The next candle, something like this, and then we can have again. We have to wait again, like something like this, and then we're gonna have another reversal going higher. Love it. I love to draw the candles like this, dude. That's crazy. Okay, ES gonna take out this low. You see, Nicole, give me my crystal ball. For the last hour and change gold. Yeah, let me see gold. Come on, gold, just take out my TP and here we go. Nasdaq is going back to the fair value gap. I'm gonna send you a message, Nicola, about that, the danger of when you grouping channels. I'm gonna wrap up soon the live, actually. I think half an hour or something. I wanna eat, and then I'm gonna go for a walk. I'm gonna go to the beach or something. Yeah, on intraday. Okay, let me see what we have. Here we go, baby. Just fucking fly, girl. 9 candles to make the OB. Yeah, that's a problem, Nico, because this can be a manipulation, and if the price wanna reverse us, that's perfect. Because we have now what? We have a range high here and we have a range low here, right? And if it's gonna just sweep the high, close back to these candles, we can have a down move, and then shut up, boy, talking too much. Pum pum pum. Okay, we had a new 5-minute changing state of delivery. Perfect. Now we want to target this low from here to there. It's only 1 hour. Nothing crazy. That's gonna take out the low. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. J. Here we go. Davis mark is coming. No, ES doesn't have to hold here. The Davis mark has to be taken, brother. 12 p.m. price action behavioral. Davis mark. Yeah, Davis mark means no week, and that there is no week. That means the buyers were that strong, push the price higher inside the candle. There is no form of balanced price action because the price has to always have a high low, right? So and then has to be balanced. That's why it goes back. That is a Davis mark. Can I send him a message? What is this? He's longing right now, dude. The only problem is now ES took out this. Yeah, WS mark is coming. Come on, take it out, baby. Take it out. 49, baby. 49, baby. I want to see a huge down move now, Nicole, on Nasdaq. Like this. Yeah. No. No. Probably it's gonna go back to this fair value gap and here. So 618 is coming, I guess, before it goes lower. Let me see gold. Oh man, gold is just... Now it's gonna go back to this old here, and then it's gonna go lower. Yeah, I think 615 is coming. A lot of failure swings into that level. He was longing like for 10 points with I don't know how many minutes. Now he's like, who got this long? Who got this long? Yeah, sure. Yeah. This is the OB, this is the range. Come on, 549, baby. Let me see gold. Yeah, I want to see this Davis mark to be taken. Let me see the 1 minute time frame. Yeah, I want to see those low resistance liquidity to be taken. Retested the bearish OB. Now we're gonna go lower from here. Yeah. And Q has a weak. No, NQ has no, brother. Oh yeah, we have. Nah, we're gonna go back to this 620 level. I think it's gonna go lower, guys. Yeah, the 5 minute actually is bearish, so it should go until like 300 something. One hour is bearish. On the 5 minute we had this changing state of delivery here. We had another one here, we respected. Now we want to see down move from here until this low. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, gold is still just ranging. Finally, gold is moving. The only problem is that was consolidation, so we now have this manipulation, and it went back to the 620 as I said. Fuck Nasdaq, why it's not going harder and faster when I was telling? That's crazy. So I think it's bullish. So it's gonna go back to the top of the range, which is the 744, because we swapped the low here and now we're going back to the range. That was a consolidation, high consolidation, low. We swapped the low. We want to see price going back to the 693 first and then higher prices. Yeah, and we had the C2 on the lows as well, so we want to see higher prices. Yeah, on gold, yeah, I'm gonna close gold and let you know if it's a break even or not later. And I think I'm gonna wrap up the live, guys, because I'm gonna go a couple of things to do. So thank you for watching. If you have any question, leave a comment in the comment section. Peace, yo.